Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a microscope? Why are you asking me? That sound. What is it? Did you see it? They said it was hauled from the Challenger Deep, but I'm positive that beast... Okay, I hope you know what you're doing. I have no doubt. Good luck. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today.
Sure, I'll follow you. No, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Freeman. You are Gordon Freeman, aren't you? You are completely wrong.
I got another one. Don't make me do this. Friends like you? Man. Hey, what did I ever do to you? End of the line for you. That'll look nice in my trophy room.